In this video, we're going to cover the topic on 7 P's of marketing, also known as a service marketing mix. अभी आपने 4 P's of marketing तो सुना होगा, which has product, price, place and promotion. यही 4 को और आप 3 P ऐड कर दीजिए और हो जाता है 7 P's of service marketing. And the additional 3 P's are people, process and physical evidence. Now, in order to explain the 7 P's of marketing, let's take the example of a college, right? Let's start with the product first. Now, in this case, product in terms of college would be, the core product here is education. That's the reason students join the college. But obviously, education को उनको degree नहीं मिलेगी, just the word, you need offerings. So, a product in a college could be the courses that they offer. It could be BCom, it could be BMM, BMS, or even post-graduation like an MBA program. All that could come under product and the number of subjects, right? So, that is your product. The next is the price. Price is obviously the amount of money you pay in terms of a college is called fees for the service, right? It could be 50,000 for a year, it could be 2-3 lakhs for a year, depending on the course that you're taking. So that's the price. Coming on to the place. Now, place in terms of college would typically be offline location. It could be any particular location where it is several colleges in Juhu or Bandra or Daisar or Thane, name it. So offline location जहाँ मतलब building बनाई है जहाँ college services offer कर रही है. In many cases, colleges also offer online classes. So in that case, it could be a hybrid model, offline and online, right? Moving on to the promotion aspect. Now, how does the college promote itself? Majorly, colleges depend करते हैं word of mouth पे, but many colleges also have hoardings across cities saying that we have started this course. Many colleges spend a lot of money on digital marketing as well, wherein they spend good amount of money on SEO and SEM because students tend to search which is the best college for BMS or BCom or BBA, and that's how they arrive at a college. So what I would say for as far as promotion is concerned, good traditional mix of print ads and hoardings along with a good set of online marketing in terms of SEO, SEM, digital marketing, even their social media pages. But ultimately, promotion for a college is all about word of mouth. That is the 4 P's, right? Now moving on to the additional 3 P's, let's start with people. Now, people in this case are the employees जो service deliver करते हैं. In case of college, you have someone called as a frontline employee and a backend employee. Now, frontline are the ones who actually deliver the service. That means your professors. But for a college to operate, you have backend employees as well. You have the administrative staff, the examination department, the peon, the ones who run the canteen, the ones who clean the class. All that would be backend because if they don't operate and keep the college up and running, professors will not know when to deliver the lecture. So, people in any service would be front end and back end. Coming to the 6th P, and that is process. Now, you can't just go to any college in Bombay and just enter and say, I want to attend lectures, right? There is a process for that, and for every service for that matter, which I'll explain later. But in case of college, you typically have entrance examinations, right? Like a college like NMIMS has the NMAT for their post-graduation program. It has the NPAT for a BBA program. So, students are supposed to download the form, fill it, give the exam, get the score, choose the 3 colleges they want to go to, and depending on their scores, the college kind of offers them admission. Once they join, they also get a joining date, they get a timetable based on which they have to come and attend the college, which room, which location. Then they are asked to go through the entire academic calendar and sit for lectures, and depending on an 80% percentage, they are allowed to sit for exams. So if you go to see, you just don't get education randomly there. There's a process for you to get in, and there's a process for you to get out. And if you think rationally, ये हर service में एक process होता ही है. कहाँ छोटा होता है, कहाँ बड़ा होता है. Coming to the final element of service marketing mix, in this case is physical evidence. Physical evidence ideally means 2 things, the service scape and tangibles. Now, when you go to a college, the first thing that you see is the building. That is again tangible. You look at the interiors, the classroom, the bench on which you're sitting, the desk, the TV screen that you have for seeing your videos or seeing your presentations, the AC. All that tangible that you see around you is part of physical evidence. The better the infrastructure, the more fees the college will charge. The horrible the infrastructure, students are going to complain, right? Servicescape, on the other hand, talks about how ambient the conditions are. Is the AC working? Is the smell neutral? Is there good ventilation? Is the lighting enough for people to see? All that would come under the servicescape angle, right? So physical evidence is basically the environment in which the service is delivered. It should always be favorable for a college. So those are 7 P's of a college. The same 7 P's can be applied for any service. To wrap up this particular video, let's take the 7 P's of a healthcare quickly. In case of product, the hospital offers many types of healthcare services and surgeries. Pricing is the fees they charge, the fees the doctor that charges for the services. When it comes to place, the location of the hospital. When it comes to promotion, hospitals work on word of mouth more, the doctors. When it comes to people, you have the doctors and nurses who are front end, the admin department, the cleaning department, all that would be the back end. Coming to the process, we all know you just can't get into the hospital. आपको पहले form भरना पड़ता है, but it's a process. You fill a form, you fill the charges, and then take your services. And finally comes to physical evidence. The exterior of the hospital and majorly the interior needs to be clean, sanitized, pristine white color, no smell of blood or any other sting that can come from there. A very sanitized smell. All that contributes to the physical evidence inside a hospital. This brings an end to the video on 7 P's of service marketing mix. Thank you and easy array.